Welcome to another edition of Wise Investor, where you're going to experience hope that will transform how you experience life. Today, we're going to be talking about a specific investment on here. It's the Vanguard Mid Cap Growth, Growth Index Fund ETF. But I just want to give you a little bit of framework on a Wise Investor 100-fold investment list. We have it on sale for $299 USD. And it is a curated list of over 30 top index funds and ETFs on the market today. The criteria to get on this list is you must meet 6 things as a minimum to get on here. And you have to have a 10, a 5, a 3, and a 1-year average growth rate of 16.41% average over 10, 5, 3, and 1-year average. And then you have a net expense ratio of 0.50 or less and a turnover rate of 25% or less. So those are the 6 criteria to get on this list. They are absolutely phenomenal. Just to kind of give you a little bit of a headshot onto some of the things that's going on this list. I have this organized right now by the 10-year average. And with that, we have this top performer here. It's been around since July 10, 2001. This list last updated on October 6, 2021. So this particular investment is over 20 years old, averaging 10.84%, 10-year average 27%, 33% on the 5, 35 on the 3, and 47 on the 1. So it's got a nice uphill climb. Nice little annual distribution. Yield is a little low, but the actual dollars coming in are pretty decent. 5-year average growth of 22%. So it's on the rise. It's on the rise. It's on the rise. I got a net expense ratio of 43% and 23% turnover rate. So just kind of give you a little bit of a general look of what's going on in here. So we have some investments that's been around since 1999, 98, 2001. I believe our oldest one is 1998. Yes, so that is our oldest one back in 1998. So we've got decades of experience on this list. So what we're going to talk about today is our Vanguard Mid Cap Growth Index Fund ETF, and with the ticker symbol of VOT. This particular one has been around since the inception date is 2006. As of October 6, it was $238.05 with 11.33% average growth rate since inception. So we've got over 15 years of rocking and rolling. That's even through the 2008 hit. So we got 10 years, 16.1, 18.15, 19.16, 31.67, and it's got an okay distribution, very low yield, but fairly consistent growth rate, quarterly distributions, very nice expense ratio of 0.07, turnover rates a little bit on the high end on 22%. But if you got any questions about anything, also, by the way, just feel free to ask questions below and I'd be happy to answer those for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Vanguard Mid Cap Fund here. Boom. And I already had it up and going, but I wanted to kind of verify just so you can see it pop up there. And so this last price is out of October 15, 2021, which is today. The price is up $200 to $48, so it's went up $10, okay, in the last few days. So it's still on the climb. 52-week high, 250, low 178. So right now the NAV is $247. All right, so fantastic. Well, just kind of want to walk through this real quick. One of the things we look for is consistency over time, and to validate what we put on here is since inception of August 17, 2006, 11.33%, 16.72 10-year, 18.17 5-year, 19.20 for 3 years, and 31.33 for 1 year. Something neat on this ETF is you can actually compare this particular fund's growth So if you put $10,000 in here, and you can change that to whatever. If you put $1,000, just take a zero off. But $10,000 over the course of the last 10 years will yield you $46,000, which is absolutely nice. That's beautiful. But here's a neat little feature of Vanguard that is kind of underutilized. If you're actually looking specifically at a Vanguard fund, you can compare it to different types of indexes. Now, most of the sites, I'm gonna take that back. Most of the sites have something like this, but I think this is fairly neat the way they have it set up on here. So you got the Dow Jones Index. So it spanked the Dow Jones Index by a good margin. The NASDAQ was interesting. It actually lost to the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ in that same 10-year period went up 66%. Ooh, 60,000. That was a six-fold return. Bloomberg, nah, I don't even know why they have that on there. The S&P 500, which is the pinnacle of investing standard, S&P 500, it was toe-to-toe with it. Toe-to-toe, and actually won a little bit. So there you go. The Dow Jones U.S. Total Stock Market Float Adjusted Index, and then you have the whatever that is, MSCI EAFE Index. I should have researched that before I opened up. Don't know what that one is. So you got a good idea what the performance is. I tell you, our criteria is very simple, but we do all the work for you. 16.41%. Average return over the 10 and 5, the 3 and the 1. You have the opportunity to make a really solid. The key to long-term investing is investing in something that is so simple that you can explain it to a 13-year-old. And that's one of the keys to this process. Is Vanguard ETF is a very, very simple investment that has proven itself over 10 years, over 15 years to be a phenomenal investment. So if you have any questions, anything about this particular investment, just let me know, ask down below. I'll be happy to answer it for you. Otherwise, be blessed in your journey, and I hope that you experience hope in your journey that transforms how you experience life. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.